Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today, as it says in the thumbnail, going to be tinting my Mini Cooper R53. Don't expect expert results. I'm not a tinter. I hate the film and all the sticky and all that kind of stuff. I'm more into the getting my hands dirty rather than trying to do all the sticky stuff. But anyways, yeah, I want to also apologize for how long it's taken me to upload this video with the weather, and I've not been well and lots going on, family and all that kind of stuff as well. But I have got some videos already sorted, so it shouldn't be too long until the other ones are uploaded. So let's get to today's video. Let's get this Mini tinted, and yeah, let's get to the car. Okay, so you've seen me warm it up. Yeah, I know that there's obviously still bubbles. I don't know if it's meant to be completely all done, but obviously I need to take all of this off anyway to then stick it on the inside. So if anything, I just wanted to get the shape of it. Okay, so I'm now going to try and attempt to put this on the inside and actually start doing it. So I'm going to spray the inside of the car. I'm going to go wash my hands, and fingers crossed for me. Well, it's nearly there. Definitely not the worst I've ever done. So I definitely think this film is better, but yeah, I think that might be where I've still got like soapy water that's underneath that I still need to then push out. So I might do this again, but I might be able to salvage this. So I'm going to come back tomorrow with this one. Right, so it is another day. I mean, the car still needs a good old wash, but to be fair, it does not look too bad. I've had it before where I just have creases everywhere. So in all fairness, I'm going to say that I'm happy with this. I know to everybody else, you wouldn't be happy because of these bits, etc. But at least I also know that if I take this film off, I can then use that as a template. But for now, I can actually live with it. Like even in the rear view, it looks fine. So I'm going to move on and do the inside windows now. Right, so I've just given this window a good clean on the outside. So now I'm going to get the film out and make my template, because obviously I don't need to go all the way over to here because the window actually only stops here. So yeah, going to do the same thing, basically put it on here and get the template. Okay, so that's one window done. I did mess up in that corner there, and then when I was just trimming this bit up at the top here, I then did that little bit there. But from the outside, I don't think it looks too bad. Maybe I have missed a bit. It needs to come over a bit more on there, but I think once I clean the windows up, we'll see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm going to move on to the other one, and then if I want to redo this one, then I can obviously just take this off and then just use that as the template. But yeah, let's get on to the other side. Right, so this is the last window to do. What I'm thinking of doing, so this is just some clear, like, yeah, plastic that I can actually then see. Where is it on the video? Can you see that there? There we go. See these dots? So I need it just above those dots. Okay, so I thought what might be easier than actually trying to do it with the tinting film is, why don't I get this clear piece of paper or clear film thing, and then I can actually sketch the line onto it and actually make the template of the actual film that I need. Then I can then just cut that, and then I can just go straight into the inside and think that. Right, so I've gone round. I've done my template line. Okay, so you can see that. Yeah, right, so I'm going to take this inside, go and cut this out and cut it out on the film, and then we'll come back to the car and stick it on the inside. Okay, so I am at the craft table. Now, as you can see, I've got the template cut out. I have got my film here. So now I'm just going to, yeah, cut round and do the template for the film. Okay, so I have my cutout now of the window thing. So now I just need to give the window a clean, and then yeah, get the actual thingy film off of this and start putting it on. So that's what I'm going to quickly do now. Okay, there we have it. And yeah, a few little bits that just need to sort of, yeah, I think dry out. Every time I try and push, they keep coming back. So I'm just going to sort of let it dry a little bit, and then I can push them down, and hopefully, yeah, they'll then stick. So yeah, that's this window. So again, just make sure up there. But at least I have got the template now as well, because I think I will redo this one, because this seems to be the worst one. That seems to be, yeah, like a scratch. But it doesn't look too bad. It's not like creased all over, you know, sort of like it is on here. But again, it's not a big deal. Like all of this part here is fine. I can still see out my window, no issues. But again, I think I will end up taking this one off, and then, yeah, doing the same thing like I did with this, actually cut it out as a template. It was so much easier to then actually then just get it in the car. Like I didn't have any excess, etc. So that's where I'm gonna leave this episode of, yeah, Tintin the Mini. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, then please hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe, and join me on the next one. Bye.